Greetings everyone, my name is Chandana. I'd like to begin this auspicious occasion by quoting the great Albert Einstein. It is the supreme art of teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Here's wishing all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hi everyone, myself Dilip Kumar L from Department of Civil Engineering, 7th semester. First of all, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today is Teachers' Day, and on this special occasion, I would like to call upon our head of the department, Srinivas sir, to speak a few words.
Very good morning, my dear students and faculty members. It is an extremely happy situation for us. We are celebrating Teachers' Day, and I am more happy for the reason that the entire event is being organized and conducted by students. At this point of time, when the entire world is struggling to come to terms in respect of fighting COVID pandemic, celebration of Teachers' Day assumes a lot of significance. We must admit that this pandemic is not an accident. It is the result of all our negative acts which have happened in the past. When I say negative acts, we have worked against nature. We have worked against our own fellow human beings. We have not gone through the line of moral values, ethics, and what is really good for the society. The result is there to show in the form of this pandemic. Now, on this Teachers' Day occasion, we have to introspect ourselves and understand what is the real meaning of education. The real meaning of education is just not in terms of conveying what is mentioned in the syllabus. It is much more to that. To become a responsible citizen of the country, to become a responsible human being for the entire planet, it takes a lot. And it is all in terms of the human values what we need to push all our acts together such that well-being of every person is assured. Then what is that we have to do on Teachers' Day? On Teachers' Day, we just celebrate an event and teachers convey their best wishes to the students. Students convey their regards to the teacher for the kind of help they have obtained. But the real meaning of celebrating Teachers' Day, both for teachers, that is faculty members, as well for the students, go beyond celebration for a single day. It is a celebration for the whole year. It is a celebration for the whole life for which we are struggling. A good education always would help us to chalk out a proper way of conduct, a proper way of professionally handling situations in our workplace. So what is that we are required to do? So we are required to do only one thing. As a teacher, we should make sure that every individual student is not discriminated. Every individual student is as important as any other student for a teacher. The welfare of every individual student should be the attempt with which a faculty member has to work. Similarly, a student should always think that let me not just rely on completing an examination question paper. In fact, I have to complete a question paper for life. To make that happen, we have to think in terms of becoming a strong individual. Strong individual in the sense that for everything, for every learning, unless we go through our own interpretation, the learning is incomplete. So in this context, what I wish to say is that faculty members have to follow non-discriminatory approach. They should always think that it is just not imparting the education in terms of syllabus alone, and they have to concentrate on much needed skills, the communication and leadership qualities in students. Students from their side, till the time they mature enough, it is better that they follow in the footsteps or the guidelines of the faculty member and then try towards becoming a successful individual. For us, every student is important, so as every batch of students which passed out from the annals of Global Academy of Technology is also important. But I wish to recollect how we started, because the first day matters a lot for everybody. That's how I wish to recollect a couple of students and how their career has grown over a period of time. So under this situation, I may have to recollect two important alumni who passed out in the year 2008, the first batch for Global Academy of Technology, the Department of Civil Engineering, Manav Jain and Simon Jacob. Both of them are doing exceedingly well. Manav Jain, immediately after completing graduation from Global Academy of Technology, joined IIT Mumbai and Remote Sensing and Geographic Information System. Now he is working as a successful manager in Middle East, and probably he is guiding at least 50 engineers under him. And similarly, Simon Jacob, immediately after his graduation, went to UK, completed his masters. Now he is a very successful construction manager in Middle East. But going by what I have seen of them as a student of just 16, mere 16 students in the first batch, I always thought that how they are going to make it into this very tough competitive world. But looking at what has happened over a period of time from 2008 till now, in 10-12 years of time, they have changed so much that I believe they are much more successful than any acclaimed IT graduate. Thank you.
Moving on, we would like to take you all through a journey into the past driven by the words of experience by our beloved faculty. Brace yourselves and welcome our dear lecturers.
A very good morning to all the students. This is the special occasion that too for the first time in the history we are celebrating this Teachers' Day on online mode. We are going on online mode in all the activities now. We hope that this pandemic will end soon, and then again we will be meeting face to face, and then we will exchanging our ideas, and then definitely it will give more strength in this academic endeavor. And then of course we have learnt lot many things how to face this situation, and then the bond between the teachers and the students has strengthened a little bit more. Even though we were placed at remote places, we loved each other, and then we exchanged, and then we even faced all the academic activities in a competitive way. So this is a very interesting case, and then of course in the days to come, definitely the strength gained by the students will be very much high enough. And then the students also, I feel that they should take extraordinary interest in learning themselves, and then be in the challenging mode always, and then be ready to face the challenging situations. The civil engineering especially demands a lot in field work, and then of course this pandemic is not helping the field work, and then in the days to come definitely we will see that this also is sorted out. And then let this Teachers' Day always help the students in the days to come. The teachers' relation with the staff, let it be strengthened again.
Good morning. I feel honored to speak on the day of Teachers' Day. Teacher, when I say teacher, the term itself will come with a responsibility. And I feel more responsible whenever my old student comes to me or communicate to me that I am your student and we learned so many things from you. I really feel honored. And if I speak about the students at GAT, so I remember from the first students from the first batch, and the mentality or the nature of student from 15 years to till, so it changes from year to year. And the teachers and students relationship is very crucial. So it will not end only with the end of the course. It should continue. And both teachers and students have a responsibility, so that is social responsibility to help our society. So on this Teachers' Day, I wish all my colleagues a happy Teachers' Day.
Hope all of you are doing well. It's a very pleasant journey since 2007 in the Department of Civil Engineering. I have seen more than 10 batches passing out as a civil engineers. It's a very, I enjoyed a lot, and I'm enjoying during the class, taking class, during field work, during arranging of workshop, during field visits, and during civil college fest. So it's all I enjoyed a lot with you people. Your contribution is immense, actually, and very happy to see you people working extremely good in different field, like as a successful entrepreneur, and as a working in a government sector, in a very reputed companies in India and abroad, and getting your masters in India and abroad. So we are very proud of you people. Present batch students, those who are studying in 3rd semester, 5th semester and 7th semester, we are missing you a lot in a campus. Hope you will come back in the month of October. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I wish you all the very best.
Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. On the occasion of this Teachers' Day, I would like to wish all my teachers a happy Teachers' Day and would like to seek their blessings on this occasion. So I have been here for the past 5 years as a teacher, and the journey which I have experienced was a great one. At last but not the least, I would like to wish all the students all the best in their future endeavors and their stay be safe and healthy.
On this
Thank you.
occasion, I wanted to share few of my experience in this institute with the students. I've been here for last 5 years, and I have been handling most of the MTech structural engineering subjects. So the MTech students have been involving most of the consultancy projects, and also they are good in academics.
First of all, I would like to thank all my teachers and students for giving me an opportunity to share my views on the occasion of Teachers' Day. On this occasion, I would like to give a quote by Dr. APJ Kalam, that is, the purpose of education is to create a good human being with skill and expertise. Only the enlightened human beings can be created by teachers alone. Hence, wishing all my students all the best for the future endeavors. Thank you.
Our teachers have always been showering us with their gift of knowledge. Now it's our time to give them something back in return. This is a small tribute from Kavana Priya of 5th semester to our lovely teachers.
ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚರಿಸು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟರೇನು ಆ ದೈವದಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers and my colleagues. Really, it's a wonderful day to recall the moments which I had spent with my teachers and as a teacher with my students. Parents. Parents are our first teachers who brought us to the world and showed us the path of life. Each and every day we will be learning many things from many individuals. They may be known to us or a complete stranger. Always take a good things from each and everyone and be positive. Celebrate the life.
The pleasant thing about the students of GAT that I have observed is their willingness and eagerness to involve in live projects. This I have observed in their wholehearted involvement in our ISRO project and wetland projects, which they have executed in an excellent manner and added some extra flavor to it as well.
It's been more than 6 years since I started up with this profession. Meanwhile, I have learnt many things related to survey camp, and total station, few more things related to consultancy works. There are many batches which will be remembered as precious batches. We got to know about many new things every day of learning process. On this occasion, I wish everybody which helped me in learning the things happy Teachers' Day.
At the outset, I am very happy that students have taken an initiative to celebrate the Teachers' Day even during this COVID pandemic. First of all, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day because they are the ones who made me what I am today. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my colleagues as well. And on this occasion, I would like to recollect some of the memories that I have shared with the students. I, being the cultural and sports coordinator in the department, I share the bond with a lot of students, even in the classroom as well as in the corridors. I wish all the best to the students as well. And thank you. I wish a happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
First of all, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. In GAT, I was able to lead our department Techno-Cultural Fest Reinforce. During those days, I was able to see our students working together with utmost dedication, integration and cooperation to make that event a grand success. In the process, I could identify few future leaders among them. I wish them to continue the same. Finally, I wish all my students a happy and bright future.
I never thought that in this year, during this pandemic, you guys will celebrate Teachers' Day. For that, I'm really glad. Thank you so much. In GAT, I'm since 2018 and my first ever batch are the students who are in 7th semester now. The students were really humble. Because of them only my journey in GAT went very smooth and I'm really thankful to my students. And I would like to say that I'm still learning because this is my beginning of my career, my teaching journey. So I'm still learning and I'm learning from my students as well. So I will say that my students are also my teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to you all also.
Now it's time for a musical video performed by my fellow students, and we would like to dedicate this to all our lovely teachers.
ಮನಸ್ಸು ಎಂಬ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯು ಹೊಡೆದು ಹೋಗಬಾರದು, ಪಾಡುವಂತು ಓಡುವಂತ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು. ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದ ಹಾಗೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮಾಯವಾಗುವಂತದು. ಉಳಿಪೆಟ್ಟು ಬೀಳುವ ಕಲ್ಲೆ ಶಿಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು, ದಿನ ನೋವ ನುಂಗುವ ಜೀವನಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು. ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲೆದಾಟ, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪರದಾಟ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲಿ ಕನಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಸಾಗೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಲವು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಕುಗ್ಗದಿರೋ, ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಬಯಲಿರಲಿ ನೀ ನುಗ್ಗುದಿರು. ಏನಾಗಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗು ನೀ, ಬಯಸಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗದು ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಬಯಸಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗದು ಬಾಳಲಿ. ಓ ನನ್ನಾಣೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಸುಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಓ ನನ್ನಾಣೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಸುಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. na 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 na. सारे उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na.
Hello everyone, I joined Global Academy of Technology in July 2017, and it's been 3 years since, and what a remarkable journey. As I tell these projects out, the names of the projects out, students who are watching this, please recall the memories which we have had together, and I still cherish those memories. So starting from the first batch, I was there in 2017. You remember the Smart Bin project which we did together and presented in the competition and won on account of Engineers Day. It was amazing. Like, it was my first one in the campus, and it felt really good to have executed this through students. The second batch after that, we had the wetlands internship, and 10 to 12 students were involved, going on field, and tiring, yes, but enjoyable memories, and then presenting it out, the final report, and it has led to a different bigger project now. After that, you remember the ACES, Association of Civil Engineering Students, where a lot of students were involved in conduction of APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary celebration, and amazing program that was executed. As without students' help, this wouldn't have been possible the way it was executed. And after that, very recently, ISRO Respond project, final year students, 20 students were involved in it, and each and every one of them gave their best. So if you could remember and reconnect to these memories, I'm glad that we have had such a nice journey together.
Knowledge shared is knowledge squared. I feel privileged and blessed to be a teacher. I thank all my students of Global Academy of Technology who have helped me to fall in love with this profession again and again. Your enthusiasm and inquisitiveness have always helped me to deliver the best. Thank you and all the best.
I started my teaching career when I was a trainer in an institute. And from training 5 students in a batch to about more than 100 in a class now has been really amazing and incredible. During that time, I did realize that maybe I had the capability of inspiring students and bringing about a little change in their lives. I believe that students have been a great source of inspiration for me, whether it's their new perspectives, different point of views, which made me think that this could be done the other way around. I think the greatest compliment a teacher could ever get from a student is that when they say that, "Thank you, ma'am, you've helped me learn." I think that's really satisfying, and I think that's what we're here to do as well. Eventually, it comes down to this, that if a student is happy, so are we. So I just hope I continue to inspire many more young souls. Thank you.
Now it's time for another performance. We have Arpita BC from 5th semester performing for a Western dance.
Namaste, yenidu avaste. Pere bashe adu bai adru kannada veram tai manasu udada tengin kai traffic jam al hiko sai. Namaste, yenidu avaste. Idenu hampa illa samadhina yakishu rampa swatu samadhana. Saudana bendakaduru. Nana shakkarna stamp. Just hold on Bengaluru. Saudana bendakaduru.
Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday, I wish to wish all my teachers and all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. On this occasion, I remember a statement which my teacher used to always say, that is, a teacher is a paid student and teaching is a noble profession. That was the statement given by one of my professors or one of my teachers in my school days. And the teachers who I always look upon in my life is firstly my mom, who is not just mom, a great teacher all through my life. And next, Professor Raghunath from BMSE, whom I always look upon in my professional life. Lastly, I wish to wish all my students a very happy, bright and safe future.
I am associated with this GAT family since January 2018. My first batch in this GAT family is a current passed out batch it is. I would like to say a happy Teachers' Day to my colleagues and my teachers. Okay. Wish you happy Teachers' Day.
Firstly, I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.
and this is my 5th year in GAT. Each batch has given me a special memory, whereas my first batch is always the best, and also the current 7th semester students. So I wish a very bright future for them.
On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. As the saying goes, those angels who enlighten our lives with the light of knowledge, curiosity and wisdom are teachers. This I would like to dedicate to my father and also one of my very favorite professor, Dr. Vinod Hosur, who has helped me to reshape my career and who inspired me to get into the teaching profession. Most favorite batch of mine is the first batch in 2014, and also the next batch is the 2016 batch. And to all my students I would like to say, stay safe and all the best for your future endeavors.
This Teachers' Day reminds me of my student life. There was always a teacher, guru, mentor, advisor, was always there with me in each of my career step in my life. It was my teacher, Srimati Srida, who motivated me, because of her, I developed interest in the subject of transportation engineering. Later I pursued my master's in that. I was literally inspired to the subject because of her, the way she taught me, the way she explained it. That really boosted me to know much more about the subject. And when I joined at IIT Madras, my research advisors, Professor Murali Krishna and Professor Veer Raghavan, they really showed me what really meant by education is. Education is life itself. That is what I learned from IIT. And I still carry the message they passed to me. Be true to yourself and try to leave your footprint wherever you are. They always said me like, show your identity, people will recognize you. That's what I was trying to do over my career so far, and probably that is the message I would like to pass on to you. And if I speak about my GAT experience here for the past four years, I had a good amount of students associated with in many of the transportation projects. We were lucky enough to be part of many of the industrial consultancy transportation projects with the BBMP, DALT, Traffic Police. I still remember the very first survey we performed at GAT. In fact, 300 plus students have come to the field. All the CBD areas in Bangalore, MG Road, most of the places, BC Street if you take, they were there and working for 8 hours without any complaints. I don't think I can think of such kind of a tedious work any other institute. So all the kudos to the GAT students, especially civil students, for their hard work, dedication and commitment. And there have been many students over the past 4 years been closely associated with me working into the project. I would like to share a moment with you here. One of the batch, we were due for the submission, and the previous night we had a lot of data entry work before we do the analysis part. So we all after 7, 8 till 8 we were there in the college night until 8 p.m. And they said ma'am, it's okay, we can come over to your house if you don't have any problem. I said, you are most welcome to my house. And we nicely ordered some pizza, we had ate, we enjoyed our dinner and we started working. So by end of 1:30 a.m. I said I have a class tomorrow, let me at least take a break for 2 hours. So I slept, I came back at I guess around 3:30 I came back again, and I could see that the same set of students and keep on working. They didn't sleep. So that's a level of dedication, commitment I could see in most of the students. So I learned a lesson from GAT through the students that together we can do many things. So on this Teachers' Day, I want to remind you the same thing. This is what I experienced through you, and the forthcoming batches should also remind of the same way. Together we can do better things. All the very best for your endeavors.
I would like to wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers, and I am proud to be a teacher. This is my 5th year working as assistant professor in GAT. So as a special batch to me, 2015 is the best batch which I have seen in the GAT. I wish to all my students, be safe, stay healthy and all the best for their future.
I'd like to express extend a warm welcome to all of you to this special tribute by my fellow batchmates in order to thank and appreciate our wonderful teachers who have always guided us to become a better version of ourselves.
Hi my dear friends and teachers, wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers are a very important part in our life. If parents are the one who gives us birth and raises us to be a good human being, teachers are those who shapes our characters and molds our future. Our teachers at Global were very supportive, and here I am today. They are the reason for what I am today. So I would like to thank all my teachers at Global and wish you a very happy Teachers Day. And I thank Global Academic Technology for giving me such a wonderful opportunity on such an auspicious day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Babita R of 2015 batch. On this Teachers Day, I would like to thank all my teachers for always being there for us and encouraging us in all the way possible. I would like to especially thank Reshma ma'am for guiding me, correcting all my mistakes. I look up to her. Thanks a lot ma'am, you've had a huge impact in my life. Thank you ma'am.
Hello everyone, this is Kirtana here. A very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who helped me in my engineering life. I will be very grateful to you all and you will always be remembered. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone. Happy Teachers Day to all of my dear teachers of Global Academy of Technology. Myself Gagana, hope you all remember me. I am a passed out student from 2019 batch, Civil Department. I am very happy to be a part of Global Academy of Technology, and I am very happy to have so blessed with the teachers, and I have experienced a lot of good stuffs there, and I'm very happy for being a part in many events of Global Academy of Technology where my teachers guided me in many ways, and I'm very happy about it. Sindhu ma'am, Shruti RP ma'am and Shalini ma'am and many other teachers have guided me in many ways, and right now I am in a very good position in my job, and that was also one of the gifts from one of the teacher called Kushbu, who introduced me to this particular company called Fair Climate Network, where I'm particularly working in the forestry department. I'm very happy and gladful to be a part of Global Academy of Technology. Thank you all. Happy Teachers Day once again.
Hello everyone, this is Akash, 2018 year pass out. Mentioning about GAT, a very pleasantful journey I had that 4 years of my life. Mentioning about Principal Sir, a very dynamic person and always an helpful person, always stands with the students and is always motivated in providing the best to whatever is required for the students' growth. And coming to the Civil Department, our HOD, Dr. C.V. Srinivas, a very dynamic person and a very supportive person. He has supported me in each and every thing that I require. Whatever we used to ask, not just I, whatever we had a demand on, whatever is required with respect to lab and other facilities that we had, he always used to provide us at its best. And the lecturers, they are fantastic, what I can say, nothing else. Always supportive, they motivate, keep on motivating students to endeavor in their lives, and it has always been a very helpful journey for me. Without their support and without their back-end support, whatever we are today, not just I, every one of our batch, whatever we are in, whatever positions we are doing with, it is all because of them and their support that they have given us. I take this opportunity to wish all of the lecturers who have preached me and who are preaching the entire student fraternity, and the Civil Department lecturers of Global Academy of Technology, HOD sir as well as Principal sir, are very happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Namrata Murthy, Civil Engineer, batch of 2018. Just taking a moment here today to wish all my teachers from Global Academy of Technology a very happy Teachers Day. I resonate with the thought that being a teacher is the highest privilege and having one is the best blessing. Today, I work as a traffic engineer in New York City, and this is something I've always dreamed of. And my teachers from Global Academy of Technology have played a monumental role helping me reach my goals, motivating me, inspiring me every step of my journey, and bringing out the best in me. So thank you, teachers, and again, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Dear students, hello everybody. It is auspicious day that we are celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September. Every day, every year we are celebrating this Teachers' Day on 5th September. So we are wishing from our staff, we are wishing all the best for all the students. So stay safe. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We feel it is our immense pride and honor on this day to thank all our lecturers. On behalf of every student of this institution, I would like to share my heartfelt gratitude towards all our lecturers who have worked tirelessly in shaping up our future. Given any situation, our lecturers have guided us through in all possible ways. We hope that we were able to make your day a little more special. I speak for everyone when I say that we can't wait to get back to college and resume our normal classes. I thank everyone for being a part of this event today.